They've got the police behind you, mate.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose them, mate. Don't worry about that.
You gotta speed up. They've got the blue lights going.
Istanbul, baby! Supercar Blondie here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We've got some cool stuff coming up today. Crazy, crazy stuff. Here we are at one of the biggest, best dealerships here in Istanbul, and we're about to go in and check out what they have, and then they are giving me a crazy, crazy car to drive around the city today.
I can see it.
Okay, fine. It's that one. I wanted to try and make it mysterious, but you've blown that. So there it is, the DB11 V12. Yanikoy Motors. Every colour in the Skittles pack they have. Just want to like go through a couple of the prices because it's crazy. This one.
I love the colors they have.
Yeah, Skittles.
Yeah.
So this one is second hand, and it'd cost you about 700,000 euros. This Vantage, this is new, so they're the official Aston Martin dealership, so they've got new Aston Martins. The Vantage, about 500,000 euro for a Vantage.
Wow. 1458 in Istanbul.
1458.
On the street.
Where did you see a 458?
And from the hotel.
Must have had my eyes closed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you didn't even see it. Yeah, we haven't seen any.
No.
Because they're so expensive.
So expensive. And that's why I'm blown away with this dealership, because I would have expected, you know, just a very small dealership, maybe with 2 supercars. Okay, you want to see a 1 million euro car? Actually, it's not a car. Well, this
It's got
one right
4
here.
wheels.
So if you come in here, just be careful for what you ask for. If you come in here and you're like, I'll take your most expensive, and they're like, okay, congratulations, out you go. This is what you get. So €1 million for this.
Porsche diesel tractor.
These guys came to say hi. They live here in Turkey, but they're from Iran. All of you are from Iran, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but now they live in Turkey, and this is basically their second home.
دوست جدید پیدا کردیم. خوشحالیم که میبینیمش.
خیلی خوشحالیم که داریمت توی ترکیه.
Whatever she said, I like it. Guys.
Again, welcome
You're
back.
crazy.
Welcome to Istanbul.
I need to come to Istanbul way
Nice
more
to-
often.
nice to see you
Thank
here.
you guys so much. That is so sweet. Oh my god.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, this is Alper. He kind of runs the place. Do you know, this is something I love about Istanbul. The people are so welcoming.
This is your key.
Woo woo! Yes. Thank you so much.
It's your DB11 for today and
Yes.
tomorrow.
And this is the V12, right?
V12 definitely.
Boom.
Ben çok tabii ülke olmak istemiyorum. Aston Martin Turkey.
This is a beautiful interior color, isn't it? One thing I really appreciate about Aston Martin is the interiors. It's just so luxe. It's so detailed.
1, 2,
3,
go!
go! What happened?
He almost got shot on. What happened?
Come on, man! Did you see it?
He almost got pooped
Yeah,
on.
did you see it?
No. He almost got pooped on by the bird.
Apparently that's good luck, but...
Yeah, it's good luck.
Yeah, I know.
Görüşürüz.
What does that mean?
See you soon.
Ah,
Yes. There are 2 DB11 versions, a V8 version and a V12 version. This is the V12 version. The V8 version actually has a Mercedes engine in it. The V12 version has an Aston Martin engine, so that's what we're driving right now. It's a V12 twin turbo with about 600 horsepower. And the V8 version has about 100 horsepower less, so about...
we've got the police behind you, mate.
Yeah, I'm gonna lose them, mate. Don't worry about that.
You gotta speed up. They've got the blue lights going.
Yeah,
What'd you do?
It's too bad for them, isn't it?
What'd you do, mate? You gotta lose him. You lost him. You lost him.
I lost him.
Good work. Good work. It's Enes.
What's up?
Hello,
How
what's
are
up?
you?
I'm with you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
This is Enes.
Hey, how are you?
Tam benim için.
If you match your clothes to the car, it's automatic that you get to take it home. They're the rules.
Yakışmıyoruz ama olsun.
Yes. I love it. Wow.
Nice. Look at this body kit on it.
Mansuri, or? Damn, I've never seen one before. Oh, yeah, I've never seen a Mansuri kit on this car before. Hi, marhaba.
My name is Mustafa.
Hi, Mustafa. Alex.
Oh.
Silk chrome, silver, and look at the blue interior. This is one of the best looking 4x4 squares I've ever seen. And it's Brabus too. Wow.
In Turkey and in Istanbul, we have
Yeah.
like cool streets like Bağdat Street.
Uh-huh.
If you want, we go to Bağdat Street, then we go to İstinye Park.
Butter Street is where all of those cool houses are? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Cool houses and
Yes.
it's like Jumeirah.
And we take this.
Same with the Jumeirah.
We take this.
Yeah.
We take this.
We take all of them.
Yes,
all
let's
of
do it.
them.
Let's do
Sure,
it.
why not?
Craziest rally through
Yeah.
Istanbul.
Yeah?
Alex, süper kala... Niye söyleyemiyorum? Adını söyle.
Çünkü
Neden?
kimsenin hiçbir zaman binemeyeceği otomobillere sadece Alex binebiliyor.
Değil mi? Mesela Instagram'dan bir araba alalım. Oradan playback gibi.
I wish I knew what was going on.
Beni
I
anlamıyor
really do.
çünkü ben Türkçe
I have no
konuşuyorum.
idea.
He was asking, how did she ride this car?
How do I drive
Yeah,
them?
yeah.
I just steal them. Yeah.
Evet.
I just take them and...
Hırsız
Çalıyorum
mı?
diyor.
Hırsız.
This is the sound. That's amazing!
Hi guys.
Thank you, my friend, for organizing. Bogra is the man.
You are the man too.
You are. No, I'm the cameraman. You are the man.
Boris the man.
Afiyet olsun İngilizcesi neydi ya?
Who's the man?
Yol of the. Yol of the.
What is this?
Lahmacun.
Lamb.
Lahmacun.
Lahmacun. I'm gonna show them my new peelable paint design that Lucy's in for right now. Okay, you ready?
Show me.
This is Lucy.
Yolla gelsin.
Nice.
Azim daha güzel. Ya bırak. Azim is better.
You like it?
Yes, so much.
First thing he said was his car was better.
Evet gösterdim.
Oh man.
Doğan is saying that your car should
Get married. Yeah. This is Lucy's new boyfriend.
Akıllı olan güzel kızı kapmaya çalışıyor.
They look so cute together.
Kissing.
Aw. For this car, you pay $1,000 per horsepower.
Gelin arabalara bak. Selam.
Back at Yenikoi Motors, big thanks to them for the DB11 today and for all of the people today who took time out to come and film with me. It's been awesome. Special thank you to Bora for organizing everything today. You rock. Your hospitality has been amazing. Please make sure to go and subscribe to his channel. His link is in the description. Oh my god, you guys. Ready?
Oh my goodness. What happened?
I don't know, last night I came home, I started getting fever, and then
Put your glasses on.
I woke up this morning just like totally swollen. I'm not feeling awesome. Today we have planned a meet and greet in the mall. We don't really know how many people to expect, so we've got Furo with us. The last few meet and greets have been awesome but quite overwhelming with the number of people, just trying to like squish in and get a photo. He's gonna help us kind of control the crowd. It's kind of weird, like having to have a bodyguard. It's not really something I'm used to at all.
My colleague is here. This one. Thank you.
Yes, hi.
Tamam, please.
Hi. Yeah, sure.
Arkadaşlar hızlı
Peki, tamam.
Benim solda benim sağda.
Gerçekten çok özel gün, çok özel bir gün ve let me see. All right, 7 million plus.
Merhaba İstanbul.
Oh, super cold bloody geldi.
Thank you guys so much for coming. I love you and I appreciate you. I'm so sorry I'm a bit late. Something is weird going on with my face today. I don't know if you
You look
explained it
beautiful.
all.
Hala çok güzel. Kusura bakma biraz geciktiğim için ama benim yüzüm pek o kendine gelemedi ama ben dedim yine müthişsin ve mükemmelsin. You look beautiful anyway.
I'm not usually one to wear glasses inside.
2, 3. Katılın. Dünyayı gezeceğiz, dünyaya tanıtacağız. Ve beni takip ediyorsan lütfen.
Cars. Look at these cars. Big thank you to all of the supercar owners who stayed up super late last night to drive these cars in. I think you were talking about the SLR just now.
Yes, I
right?
was.
How expensive that is. That's like $3 million. Just one car sitting here.
Aleykümselam.
Ben de sahibi şu an burada değil. Getirdiğimiz arabalar şu an sağımızda duruyor. Mercedes SLR McLaren 722 Limited Edition.
It's like not physically possible to take a photo with all of you, but I appreciate and love you so much for coming out. Thank you guys so much.
Gerçekten herkese çok teşekkür ederim geldiğiniz.
Geçin resimler bitti. Devam et abi devam et.
Okay, we need to Ken, thank you so much.
All gratitude.
Thank you so much.
No, you guys are amazing.
He says like gelmezsun.
Oh, thank you so
And say,
much.
like-
I know, I wish I could show you my face, but it's just so bad right now. Okay. Look. Thank you guys so much for coming. Off to Dubai. We're heading to the airport. I'm just going to go to the doctor quickly, sort this situation out. A big thank you to Taran Telly, who organised my security for today. Do you want the rest of this chocolate?
Got a pool here.
It's a cool lounge.
Wow, that's amazing lounge.
Flying back with Turkish Airways to Dubai.
Popcorn machine. Oh, they have cinema in here. Go watch an animal movie.
Cool.
In what other business lounge can you find that sort of assortment? Golf! Man, this lounge is off the charts. Do you know how that works? Hands down, it's the best lounge we've ever seen of any business lounge around the world, I must say. And the cool thing is you got a chef, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
So
I've never seen that before.
yeah.
A chef actually in a chef uniform serving you food on business class. That's cool. Hello.
So you're the chef?
Yes, I am the chef.
Wow. And we can order different things, or how does it work? You
We
cook
have-
here?
Yes, no, not here. We have the menu and you can choose whatever you want. We have 3 choices and a dinner.
I just think it's cool seeing a chef on board.
Yeah.
I've not seen that in any other airline.
Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I wonder whether I should start with the chocolate first. Shrimp or chocolate?
I like this one.
Just got back home, and that's what's waiting out front. 6x6 Bravos. Look at that beast. That is unbelievable. Alex is still not feeling well. I hope she's gonna be better tomorrow, so please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and Alex will be back very shortly. Good night, everyone.